We at motherfucking Blockworks Studios. Maya Zelansky.
Yeah.
Just finished battling.
Yeah, Maya Lance just finished getting the ring with Millennium L's, man. That was a fucking
Crazy
goodie.
battle, my nigga.
It was a goodie.
What you thought about L's performance?
Oh, I enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? I really enjoyed it as a fan of battle rap, and I enjoyed it. I was saying like, ooh, he said that to me. I had to wipe my nose a few times on the blood. You know what I'm saying? We had to wipe his too. You know what I'm saying? We got it in, man. Shout out to Millennium L's. Shout out to Young Republic. I got my man Remo with me.
You already know, man.
He's always with me all the time.
So shout out to Millennium L's for that one. No, I ain't gonna lie. You a witty rapper. You do your thing, my nigga. True story, baby. That was a good one. Y'all get ready for that. Wait till that hit the blood. Y'all gonna see.
And definitely my man Lim Dot. I said a little line with him in it, so you watch out for him. He make music. Slim Friend Gang.
Young author. Friend Gang. The young author. Already.
So I'm saying, what's next, man? What's next for you? Who you want next, man? You know, that's all I want to know.
Look at Don King over here.
Nah, it's Oscar De La Hoya, baby.
Oh, my fault. Vince McMahon.
Yeah, you know, my man.
Who you want next? I got another, you know, something popping March 6th. Millennium L's is battling already.
March 6th?
What's up?
I might jump in the ring on that one. Don't know who's gonna be. I really don't have nobody in mind.
I mean, Veg, what you think? Like, who you think should be getting killed right now?
Because that's how I talk now. Who you think should be getting killed right now? Because honestly, I got in there with Millennium L's. You know what I'm saying? I don't think about who I killed and who I got. You know, whatever. But whoever you want me to get in the ring with, you know, from grind season, whoever want to get in the ring with me, you could get in the ring. You know, it's no big deal. You have never asked me to get in the ring yet, and I decline. You know what I'm saying? I can't really say it's gonna be March 6th or not, but it's definitely gonna go down.
I definitely would like to see you get in with Express Money. Again, that'll be a dope battle.
He wasn't even at the first one, Vec.
Yeah. My man was there. He was there live. He seen it happen.
We might have to. I mean,
I'm not saying. I'm just saying that's what I would like to see.
Shout out to Express Money and Fast Paper. You know what I'm saying? I fucks with Express. I don't think I'll ever do that with him again. You know why? Because he's coming part of the family. He's fucking with the Slim Friend Gang crazy right now. I'm fucking with Express. He's here today for my battle. Just like when he battled Rated live on the radio, I showed up just for him. You know what I'm saying? So it's like I'll get in the ring with him. You know what I'm saying? But it won't be.
It won't be entertaining.
Yeah, it won't be entertaining. It won't be natural. Like tonight, I look forward to getting in the ring with Millennium L's tonight. That's why people got the show that they got. You know what I'm saying? I have my peoples want to know, Myers, what you gonna say? What's gonna happen? This nigga right here, he's my biggest critic. You know what I'm saying? So it's like he didn't hear nothing that I was gonna say. So for him to be excited, for Lim Dot to be excited, I'm excited. The people out there, they got a show tonight, babe. And that was one of my biggest performances. And I want to thank everybody that came out and Millennium L for giving me the opportunity, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm a beast. And now people definitely, they have to give me my shot. There's no more what if, what's, buts no more. It's all about Maya Lansky. He's a beast.
Say no more, B. Yo, good looking for coming out and doing your thing. You did your fucking thing, man.
Thanks for having me, babe.
GrindSeasonTV.com. Over and out, Maya Zelansky, Slim Friend Gang, Young Republic, baby.
You know what I mean? Shout out to my man, Rod Handsome, International Bez, the whole Slim Friend Gang. You know what I'm saying? We getting big. Don't worry about the 140, worry about the 40. Let's get it.